science behind medicinal cannabis?
Medicinal cannabis has an effect predominantly on the endocannabinoid system. The endocannabinoid system was discovered quite recently and is predominantly, in essence, made up of the two main receptors, CB1 receptors and CB2 receptors. So CB1 receptors are situated in the nervous system, be it the central nervous system, as well as the peripheral nervous system, as well as in other parts of the body, be it in the muscles, the joints, or in the other tissues of the body. CB2 receptors are situated within the immune system, as well as the blood circulatory system. In essence, the two main constituents of medicinal cannabis, be it CBD and THC, are the main things that we are concerned about when dealing with its effect. There are other components and other constituents of medicinal cannabis which include terpenes, and there are many of these, as well as other such constituents such as hydrocarbons and phenols and possibly even alkaloids. Now, altogether, those other things, apart from THC and CBD, is called the entourage effect. And in essence, what we have found is that the effect of those other chemicals do improve, or possibly, have a better effect, or help the THC and CBD work better. And in essence, we call this the entourage effect. Basically, when we look at the actual where they work and which part the THC and the CBD works, THC is the one that tends to work on the CB1 receptors as a partial agonist, whereas CBD particularly has an effect on other types of receptors across the body, and these may include the TRPV type receptors that are situated in the body and particularly deal with pain. So in essence, there is a lot to be said about medicinal cannabis, but what we would say, it is the whole plant, including the other chemicals, that are important when we look at the effect of medicinal cannabis. And when we synthetically produce CBD or THC, we find that actually it is not as efficacious as the whole plant. And in essence, even though we don't know much about the entourage chemicals in medicinal cannabis, we do feel that it does have a beneficial effect when dealing with patients' clinical problems.